British Railways to Hull from Hornby. This is the unboxing and review. This is the power car. Here's the power car. Oops. In a moment we're going to get it onto the turntable. Let's look at the underneath. This is a dummy car. Here is the power car. On the front of the unit there's quite a good representation of all the brake connecting pipes, and there is a windscreen wiper here. On the roof there are no horns. There are square buffers which are sprung. On the side there appear to be separately fitted grab rails here, but the handrail inside is actually only painted. Here we see you've got no smoking stickers. These are old red triangles that they used to have. And as I said, this in real life that would be a bar that you could hold on to going along, but this is actually only a painted line along the window. Here's the other side, compartment side. The other side is the corridor side. That's the guard's van. We can see there is quite a good level of detail. Here there are what appear to be separately fitted handrails into the driver's cab, and here there are sprung buffers. This is obviously the no smoking here. You can see these red triangles. Here are the grab handrails here, and these appear to be separately fitted. If we go along here we come to the guard's van and the driver's cab. Here we see some grab rails that are separately fitted. Here this shows the front of the unit quite well. It's got 18 head code on the front, which denotes service to Brighton from Hastings. Quite a lot of detail on the front here. I think these were used to attach another unit. These are the brake connecting hoses. You can see it's number 2086. Let's go round another rotation, shall we? There we are. This is the trailer car. It differs from the power car in that it does not have a guard's van, but otherwise it's more or less the same. This is the first class. You can see there's a first class designation stuck in the window. This unit is going to Hastings from Brighton. There's quite a lot of detail on this cab, as you can see. This number is actually supplied by Hornby inside the pack, and you have to stick it on yourself, which is quite a fiddly job. Now it's time to get it down on the track.